Hey, what's going on, everybody? Seth with MK Carpet Cleaning. I just want to kind of show you real quick what we just did to the zipper. We just replaced the slot glide. And the reason why is we were noticing that the slots were getting clogged up. We actually talked to another cleaner and he said the same thing with his. He switched his to the hole glides because they were just getting clogged up so much. And this is just what we got out. And we had recently cleaned it a couple weeks ago too, so. But anyway, the hole glides shouldn't soak up as much debris. You can tell down here at the bottom, it's got the really tiny holes. And this is another glide that came with it. So I'm gonna take the top off here just a second and kind of show you what's on the inside right there. All right, so I'm gonna take the top off right here. I'm wearing gloves because some of this stuff is just really nasty, but you can kind of see just some more hair. Right there's all what we got out from it. So anyway, we're gonna test this out this weekend. Got a pretty nasty commercial job that's coming up. Gonna use the zipper and just see how much, if we notice a difference with it clogging up any. Like I said, I have a buddy who has a zipper too, and he said once he put that whole glide on there, he noticed it wasn't getting clogged up nowhere near as much. So we're gonna test it out.